Concern is growing over the handling of toxic chemicals by U.S. authorities after a freight train derailed in the village of East Palestine, Ohio, earlier this month. There were a total of 20 hazardous material cars in the train consist, 10 of which derailed, according to the National Transportation Safety Board. After hundreds of residents evacuated their homes, emergency crew conducted a controlled release of the chemicals on February 6th to avert a possible explosion. However, the operations were said to have discharged toxic and potentially deadly fumes into the air. 5 of the derailed hazmat cars carried vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride exposure is associated with an increased risk of a rare form of liver cancer, as well as primary liver cancer, brain and lung cancers, lymphoma, and leukemia. A group of state, federal, and local officials issued a statement on February 8th, saying that evacuated residents in and around East Palestine can now safely return home. This is one of the deadliest environmental emergencies. U.S. Congressman Jamal Bowman, a New York Democrat, tweeted on Monday, and no one is talking about it.